LittleShifu! Have you ever wondered how your phone understands what you say so easily? And how does YouTube always seem to know what videos you like to watch? Well, that's all possible because of something called artificial intelligence, or AI. AI is when machines are designed in a way that they can think a little like humans. But don't worry, they don't actually have real brains like we do. They simply follow smart instructions and learn patterns from lots of data. Just like you learn new things from your books, teachers, and daily experiences. AI also learns by looking at huge amounts of data again and again. This data can include images, written text, videos, and even different kinds of sounds. The more data it learns from, the smarter and more accurate it becomes over time. One thing AI is really good at is finding patterns in all this information. Imagine showing it thousands and thousands of pictures of flowers to learn from. After some time, it starts understanding what makes a flower look like a flower. So when it sees a new picture, it can recognize the flower very easily. This whole process of learning from data is called training the AI. In the beginning, AI makes many mistakes while trying to learn new things. But slowly, it learns from those mistakes and starts improving step by step. It's actually very similar to how you learn something new over time. There are also different types of AI used for different kinds of tasks. Some AI systems can understand speech, just like voice assistants do. Some can recognize images, like detecting faces in photos or videos. And some can make decisions, like self-driving cars on the road. You might not notice it, but you actually use AI every single day. When apps suggest movies or shows based on what you like watching, when maps show you the fastest route to reach your destination, or when chatbots quickly answer your questions online. All of this is AI quietly working behind the scenes to help you. You can think of AI as a super fast learner that never gets tired. It can process and understand huge amounts of information very quickly. And the best part is, it keeps getting better the more it learns. But remember, AI is still not perfect and can sometimes make errors. It only knows what it has been taught using the data it was given. So if the data is incorrect, the AI can also give wrong answers. Still, AI is improving every day and helping us in many amazing ways. Isn't that really amazing and interesting to think about? For more simple and fun science videos, subscribe to LittleShifu.